Hello and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Okay, when a recipe says add tomatoes, why does it feel like the recipe just ghosted you on details? This is the globe tomato, also known as standard, regular, red, or vine ripened, the default tomato. The one recipes assume you'll grab without asking questions. Fun fact, globe tomatoes are basically the I'm flexible friend of the produce world. This one's a Roma tomato, and she's built different. Fun fact, Roma tomatoes were bred for sauce. Less water, fewer seeds, zero patience for being watery. And then there's the wild card, canned tomatoes. Fun fact, canned tomatoes are usually picked at the peak of ripeness, so sometimes they actually taste better than fresh. Here's how this all plays out. Globe tomatoes equals juicy. Roma tomatoes equals thick. Canned tomatoes equals consistent and drama free. Fun fact, if a recipe mentions juice, crushing, or a long simmer, it's quietly begging for canned tomatoes. So remember this kitchen truth. Globe is the default, Roma is for control, canned is for confidence. No instructions, go globe. Making sauce, soup, or stew, Roma or canned. And if your sauce ever turned out watery, don't blame yourself. Blame the tomato. Thank you and have fun cooking.